This video shows you a step-by-step guide on how to connect your CatchX Pro bait boat to the Rippton Boat App. First, find the SSID of your CatchX Pro. Then mount the sonar. Sonar is activated once put in water. Open Rippton Boat App and enter the interface of CatchX Pro with internet connection. Zoom in and zoom out to load the map. Return to the settings and click on the Wi-Fi settings. Find the Wi-Fi of the sonar named RipBexNXX and enter password 1234568. Open Rippton Boat App and enter the interface of CatchX Pro again. Your sonar is successfully connected to the app. Click on the mini screen of sonar. Click on the gear button. Turn off the AP mode in setting and enter SSID. SSID record can be found when entering for the second time. Find the Wi-Fi of the boat named InkXXX and enter password 1234568. Enter the interface of CatchX Pro in the app. Now, both your boat and sonar are successfully connected to the app. You can switch between controlling the boat and sonar by tapping the screen. If you want to use the sonar separately, open the AP mode in the settings to disconnect the sonar from the boat.